Good morning, good morning, good morning. I just want to come on and remind you that every setback or anything that you encounter right now is setting you up for the greatest comeback. It's not here to break you, but it's here to make you. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad day. There's only good days, and good days and blessings. It's either a lesson or it's a blessing. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Coach Keon Corniff, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to talk to you about how to pay off your debts. Now, paying off your debts is very easy and it's very simple. All you have to do is write down a list. Make a list of all your debts, right? And once you make a list of all your debts, all you have to do is identify a few things. Find out who are the creditors, who do you owe, right? Write down a list of who you owe, what's the balance you owe them, what is the APR, right? And what you're gonna do is that the way that you pay down your debt, if you apply just an extra $50 to $100, anywhere from $50 to $100 extra on your monthly payments, did you know that you could pay off your debts at least in the next 2 to 3 years faster? So how do you pay off your debts? You always want to pay off your debts by starting with the smallest debt first. Start with the smallest debt first, pay down that debt, and once you finish paying off that debt, take the $50 that you added on the monthly premium that you are paying towards the debt and add it to the next debt. And then you continue paying down your debt. If you want to have some more help and learn how to do this for you and your family, how to actually pay off your debts and build up your credits, give me a call or comment below, or we'd love to show you some more. All right, see you guys at the top.
Financial literacy can get you in your dream home.
Just got pre-approved. Yeah, it's time to make a move. What you know about an FHA loan? First time buyer, you can do it on your own. You know I ain't stopping till I get you in the home. Showing after showing, now we in the zone. About to change another life. Sell the credit, make you wanna buy. No, it won't happen overnight. No, it won't happen overnight. Hold up, don't know, now you know. Apartment, gotta let it go. Any home, any, money, mo. Own a home, you could do what you want. Hold on.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Coach Keon Corniff, and I just want to come and tell you guys that, hey, do not let your old 401ks, IRAs, or anything like that sit in those accounts when you leave your job. It's time for you to do what's called a rollover, so you can protect all the principles that you made and the interest that you made on that money, so you can guarantee to never lose a dime. I can show you where you could put that money, where you can still get growth, and you can still get safety, and the money is protected from probate, lawsuits, garnishments, and you can pass it on to your family as well without avoiding all that good stuff. So if you want to learn where to put that money and where is that I'm talking about, let me tell you. All you got to do is text me. Text info 973-873-5977. Text info 973-873-5977, and I'll teach you where to put your money so your 401ks and your IRAs don't lose any more of it. All right? It's important you know your risk class and your tax tolerance.